Okay, so coming to question number 81. Luminous efficiency of a fluorescent lamp is luminous efficiency of a fluorescent lamp is 40 lumen per watt. Therefore, option C is the right one. Question number 82. Wavelength for red color is wavelength for red color is 7000 Armstrong. Option D. Okay. Now next question. Question number 83. It says 200 candle power lamp is hung 4 meter above the center of the circular area of 5 meter diameter. The illumination at the center of the area is. So here we will apply your Lambert cosine law. So in Lambert cosine law, the illumination E is equal to I cos theta by R square. So here I given as 200 and the cos theta as here it is said that just above the center of the circular area of 5 meter diameter, the illumination at the center of the area, so the lamp is hung at the center of the area and it is asked to find the illumination at the center of the area. Therefore, your theta will be 0. So, cos theta being 0 will have a value of 1. So 200 into 1 by our r square. R square is the distance between the candle power lamp and the illumination at center, that is 4 meter. So it will be 4 square. The equation will be 200 by 4 square, 200 by 16. This will keep the illumination. Here you can see I cos theta, I cos 0 degree by r square, 200 by 16 lux, that is 12.5 lux. So your correct answer is option B. Now question number 84. From a uniform light source of 300 cp candle power, candela is the power of illumination. There exists a plane surface 15 meter below the value of illumination on the plane surface. When the luminous flask rays are inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the surface is. So what they are saying to find the illumination when the flasks are inclined at an angle of 30 degree. Here we will use the same Lambert cosine law, that is E is equal to 300 cos 30 degree by 15 square, because here it is said that there exists a plane surface 15 meter below the value of illumination. Therefore, our equation will look like this: 300 into cos 30 degree by 15 into 15, 2 by 1.732. which will give 1.154 lux. But here the options are different. Options are given wrong. So you need not worry. There may be some printing mistake. Now question number 85. Which of the following is a non-renewable source of energy? Non-renewable, that is wood. Sorry, fossil fuel. Non-renewable source of energy. Right option is option C. Now fuel cells are hydrogen battery. Option B. Question number 87. The function of steel wire in an ACSR conductor. What is ACSR conductor? ACSR is aluminium conductor steel reinforced. Now, the function of the steel wire is to provide additional mechanical strength. Your correct option is option C. Now, question number 88. If the terminals of armature of DC motor are interchanged, this action will offer following kind of braking. Generally, there are three types of braking. All the three brakings are given here: regenerative braking, plugging braking, dynamic braking. Now, plugging braking is something in which we interchange the terminals of the armature of the DC motor. So here plugging braking is the right option. But other two, regenerative braking and dynamic braking, regenerative braking is generally used in locomotives, that is electrical locomotives, such as our rails in traction systems. And here the speed control on a regenerative braking is generally used to control speed above the normal speed. This thing you need to remember. Starters are used with DC motors because to restrict armature current as there is no back EMF while starting. Option D is the right option. Because if these starters are not used, then the armature current, as EB is equal to 0, the armature current will be equal to um, the terminal voltage. Okay, because the equation of DC motor is Vt is equal to EB plus IaRa. Now IaRa will be Vt minus EB, and Ia is equal to Vt minus EB by Ra. If EB is equal to 0, so it will be Vt by Ra. And now the current will depend on totally on our terminal voltage, because the resistance of the armature will be very less. So to restrict armature current as there is no back EMF while starting, starters are used. Question number 90. Autotransformers makes effective savings on copper and copper losses when its transformation ratio is approximately equal to 1. That's all. Transformation ratio means your N1 by N2. This ratio, when is equal, approximately equal to 1, then autotransformers makes effective savings on copper and copper losses.